Hello everyone, myself Uma Maheswari. In this, we are going to see about Sago Industry. The introduction about Sago Industry. Sago, it is otherwise called Javarsi. It is prepared from the Tapioca root. These are the some of the constituent that is present in the sago. 60 to 70% of the moisture, 20 to 31% carbohydrate, 7 to 12% protein, and 5 to 13% starch. And some of the low content of vitamins and minerals also present in the sago. Starch and sago production in India, it is projected to attain 0.4 to 0.3 million tons. It requires some suitable mechanisms. And the next one is process for preparing the sago, flushing the tapioca roots, extracting and setting the milk, forming granule sizing and roasting. Tapioca sago is generally known as sago. It is otherwise called as sabadana in Hindi or Javarsi in Tamil in India. Botanical name of tapioca is Manigat utilissima. All tapioca processing industry in Tamil Nadu have prevailed with two major problems. The first one is huge requirement of water for better extraction of starch from tubers, generation of large volume of effluent. And the next one is about sago industry. Sago industry, it is the traditional agro-based processing industry in Salem district in Tamil Nadu, which is the main center for the production of sago in the whole country. Sago is the close substitute for wheat and rice in the diet of many, especially in North India. The sago industry is an agro-based seasonal industry using tapioca root and the tubers as the basic raw material. It facilitates effective and efficient utilization of agricultural raw material, and it transmits an industrial culture in rural areas, thus bringing about modernization and innovations in agriculture. The growth of sago industry helps in creating avenues for employment to the rural youth, reinforcing social and cooperative bondage, gainful utilization of locally available resources, and being labor intensive. It can be located in villages and owned and established by villagers. Salem district virtually enjoys the monopoly in sago and starch production. Some of the methodology in sago industry. Here both primary and secondary data were used. The primary data were collected from the well-designed interview schedule. Various aspects of industries like purchase of raw material, availability of labor, finance, investment details, sales price, marketing channels, total sales and survey method. The secondary data were collected through articles, journals, annual report, magazines, and also from the websites also. And the next one is sampling design. There are 180 sago units were located in Salem district. Among 180, most of the units are located in Athur and Gangavalli area. In Athur Taluk, samples selected 50% or 50 and Gangavalli 10%. Out of the 60 units, only 19 units have more than 20 years experience in this field. Maximum 37% of the sago units owner have higher secondary level education qualification. Some of the units are run by the sole proprietor and some by partners. Maximum 32 sago units are partnership basis in their establishment, and they contribute 53% in the total units. 46% units are producing starch powder. 78% sago units getting their energy from electricity. And the next one is tapioca cultivation. It is divided in various aspects. Tapioca cultivation in own land, it percentage about 23, and tuber cultivation in leased land 35%. Only tuber cultivation 26%. Tuber cultivation along with the other cultivation are 60%. Total 100%. Next one is background of establishment of units. Newly started without any background 33%. Newly started with the background 32%. Inherited from uncreators 35%. Total 100%. And the next one is classification of annual production in sago units. Here maximum 37% of the respondents produce 500 to 600 tons as annual production. It denotes the demand from foreign countries and the demand from local market determine the annual production of units. And the next one is purchase of raw materials. It is from seller, from own source, and supplier details. Both are 7%. Mode of payment, ready cash for credit. And the next one is performance of sale. This shows that the Sago units have fluctuating demand in the market and other reasons. Next one is influencing factors of Sago units: availability of raw materials, demand for the product, profitability, transitional, and the some of the determinants of profit: cost of labor, time delivery, labor productivity, technology, and packaging. Next one is suggestions. The main reason for the concentration of Sago industries in Salem district is the prevailing favorable climate condition in that area. The central and state governments must provide the necessary incentives and subsidies in order to improve the level of activities. It is better to start a monthly bulletin and magazines to provide lot of information regarding their Sago business. It will serve the entrepreneurs to update their knowledge monthly. In order to avoid the seasonal arrival of the raw materials, farmers can be encouraged to cultivate tapioca throughout the year. And the next one is conclusion. Agriculture sector contribute more in Indian economy. The cultivation of tapioca and sago production is the main occupation in the Salem district. The climate condition is the another factor for it. The contribution of these units in district revenues is notable one. As a whole, the Sago units growth and performance are well in the study area. Therefore, there will be a great scope for flourishing Sago units in future. Thank you.